In this video, I'm showing you how to restart your iPhone 17 Pro Max when it's completely frozen or not responding. If your screen is stuck, the touchscreen isn't working, or your iPhone won't respond to any taps, don't worry. Here's the quickest way to force restart it. Let's get started. First, quickly press and release the volume up button. Next, quickly press and release the volume down button. Now, immediately press and hold the side button. Keep holding the side button, even if you see the slide to power off screen. Don't release it. After a few seconds, the screen turns black and the Apple logo appears. Once you see the Apple logo, release the side button. Now, wait for your iPhone to restart normally. If your iPhone starts up successfully, the problem is fixed. If your iPhone is still frozen after the restart, make sure it's charged and updated to the latest version of iOS. If the issue continues, you may need to update or restore your iPhone using a Mac or Windows PC. If the force restart is not working, make sure to watch my next video where I show you additional solutions to fix this issue. That's it! I hope this video helps you get your iPhone working again. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.